Hello, my dear viewers. How are you all? I really wish you all are fine and well, safe at your homes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sweet Fashion. Another amazing, beautiful video about makeup brushes I just bring for you in my this video collection. Really amazing, really beautiful makeup brushes set you guys will watch in this whole video. So hopefully you guys will love this video collection as well, just like my previous videos and ideas. Different type of makeup brushes set you guys will watch. Lovely, amazing and beautiful ideas, beautiful to use, and all are really smooth and beautiful collection. So hopefully you guys will love the video. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button and the bell icon too, so you guys will never miss any video and collection. Easily you guys can watch your videos just through the notification. So share with me your reviews, your positive feedback most about my video collection. Do you like my this video and collection? So it will be really helpful for me and motivate me as well to bring more amazing collection for you people in my next upcoming video. What you guys want to watch in my next video, share with me that as well, so I will try to bring that collection for you people. Thank you for watching my video collection. I will be back again.